Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing the 5 best induction cooktop, handpicked through research and testing to meet different needs. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options, top performance, or unique features, I've categorized them to match various preferences. Check the description for the latest prices and details. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's get started. Number 1. Oemio Portable Induction Cooktop. Discover the joy of cooking with the Oemio Portable Induction Cooktop Hot Plate Countertop Burner. This induction burner redefines your cooking experience, offering a blend of elegance and efficiency. Imagine preparing your favorite meals with precise temperature control at your fingertips. With the innovative LCD sensor touch and sleek LED display, every detail is intuitively designed for you. Your kitchen becomes a haven for culinary creativity, catering to all your cooking styles. Feel the peace of mind with built-in child safety features and an auto shut-off function, allowing you to focus on creating delightful dishes without worry. This powerful and versatile induction burner will transform mealtime into a cherished experience, making it an essential addition to your kitchen arsenal. Elevate your cooking and savor every moment with this inspiring kitchen companion. Embrace culinary excellence today. Number 2. Duckstop C50 Induction Cooktop. Experience the joy of cooking with the Duckstop Induction Cooktop Model C50. This innovative cooking appliance transforms your kitchen experience. Imagine preparing meals quickly and efficiently, all while ensuring a safer environment for your family. The sleek silver design adds a modern touch to any countertop, effortlessly blending into your culinary space. Every meal becomes an opportunity to create lasting memories. This cooktop is not just a tool, it's a partner in your culinary adventures. With precise temperature control and energy efficiency, you can make every dish taste exceptional. Feel the excitement of mastering new recipes, from hearty dinners to delectable treats, all at the touch of a button. Embrace the simplicity of cooking with Duckstop, where technology meets passion. Elevate mealtime with a cooktop that understands your cooking needs and aspirations. Number 3. Chongburt Portable Induction Cooktop. Discover the transformative power of cooking with the Chongburt Portable Induction Cooktop. Imagine crafting gourmet meals at home, feeling like a professional chef. This cooktop is designed for your culinary dreams, offering precision and speed you never thought possible. The powerful energy of this state-of-the-art device makes cooking quick and enjoyable, freeing you to experiment with flavors and techniques. Its sleek stainless steel design not only complements your kitchen aesthetic but also ensures durability and easy maintenance. Experience enhanced safety and energy efficiency with this innovative hot plate. With its exceptional temperature control, whether seeking a gentle simmer or a rapid boil, the possibilities are endless. Elevate your cooking experience and create memories with every meal using the Chongburt Portable Induction Cooktop and share those moments with loved ones. Number 4. AmsChef Double Induction Cooktop. Upgrade your culinary experience with the AmsChef Double Induction Cooktop, a portable induction stove designed for those who cherish convenience and quality. Imagine transforming your kitchen into a hub of creativity where you can effortlessly prepare mouth-watering meals. This cooktop offers the versatility and speed you need, making cooking an enjoyable adventure. With its sleek design, it brings elegance to your kitchen while ensuring safety during every use. Feel the joy of cooking with precise heating that reduces energy consumption, allowing you to create dishes with love and care. Whether you are hosting friends or enjoying a quiet meal, this double induction cooktop empowers you to cook like a pro. Elevate your mealtime routine and indulge in flavors that spark joy in every bite. Experience cooking at its best with AmsChef. Number 5. NewWave Upgraded Induction Cooktop. Experience the culinary joy that comes with the NewWave Upgraded Induction Cooktop. Imagine cooking your favorite meals with precision and ease, transforming your kitchen into a chef's paradise. The advanced technology ensures you can achieve the ideal temperature for every dish. Embrace the comfort of quick heating and efficient cooking, reducing mealtime stress. With its sleek design, this cooktop not only elevates your cooking experience but also enhances the aesthetic of your kitchen. Every meal can be a masterpiece, crafted with love for your family and friends. This cooktop is the perfect companion for sentimental gatherings and everyday meals alike. Feel empowered while creating delicious dishes that leave lasting memories. Your culinary adventures await, and the new wave upgraded Induction Cooktop is here to help you savor every moment spent in the kitchen. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.